Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a wheel bearing on a Toyota Tacoma. First, ensure you have all necessary tools and safety equipment ready before starting any work on your vehicle. Begin by safely lifting your truck and removing the front wheel. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure repair process. Understanding the integrated wheel bearing assembly is key. Next, we'll begin the disassembly process. Carefully remove the brake caliper and rotor, setting them aside without stressing the brake line. Then, disconnect the anti-lock braking system sensor and loosen the large axle nut. Finally, you will need to separate the steering knuckle from the hub assembly, which often requires a bit of persuasion and specialized tools. Now for the core of the repair, removing the old bearing. You will need a hydraulic press or a specialized bearing press tool to safely remove the old wheel bearing assembly from the knuckle. After removal, thoroughly clean the knuckle bore. Then, carefully press in the new pre-assembled bearing and hub unit, ensuring it seats correctly and evenly. With the new bearing installed, it's time to reassemble everything. Reattach the steering knuckle, then reinstall the brake rotor and caliper. Make sure to torque all fasteners, especially the axle nut and caliper bolts, to the manufacturer's exact specifications. Finally, lower your truck and perform a thorough test drive to confirm the repair and check for any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.